Friends, today I will show you how reflection will work. So for that we need some things like this one box, Dettol and water, and also one laser light like this, a simple laser light. So let's start that experiment. Now add some water in that box and put the mirror below this like this. Now add some Dettol into this water and then we will do this experiment. Now you can see when I will hold this light at upside, that will show a straight reflection, but when I will bend that light, now you can see that reflection. So I will increase the angle, slowly I will decrease the angle. So again you can see that. Okay, so this is reflection. Normally we see all these things in the book, but in real life we are not able to see all that things. So here you can see. So thank you.